So, Namaskar, Namaste, very good evening to each and every one of you. Hope you all are fine. Yes, I am also fine. So, straight away coming to the point, in fact, a lot of messages and chats and so many questions or calls out of anxiety I can understand with regard to the results of the just concluded examination of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, right? One more thing before coming to that, I would like to tell there are this thing in circulation with my name that results are going to be declared tomorrow at 2 p.m. Notification will be issued soon. Whoever has made it, maybe for fun or out of some anxiety or due to some enthusiasm or this or that, that is not correct. Anyway, see what is happening is people think that Papanbai, I am Papanbai, CMH Padmanabhan. So people think that we are circulating. I, on behalf of such a person or persons or group or groups, apologize for such anxiety and concern that has crept into the mind of many students. We should not play like that. This is my humble request to people who are doing. Otherwise, see, certain people will take it very seriously, and some issues also can rise out of such type of sharing. So, second thing is, some of the students were telling that the parents, guardians, elders at home are telling that no to their son or daughter. Okay, you might have failed. That is why you are telling that the results not declared, results not declared. Ultimately, we students are facing problems in the families, sir. Kindly share this video with the parents or guardians or elders or other interested people who are very much interested to know about the results. Please tell them that the Institute of Cost Accountants of India has not declared the result yet. It is not that the son or daughter or the youngsters at home are lying. What they are telling is correct. Results are not declared. Now coming to the most important thing which everybody are anxiously waiting. And many of the students, some of them made many comments that we don't want you to come live. We want institute notification. Who are you? Why you are always coming and giving some information? Some videos in different vernacular languages also I saw making such sorts of indirect communication. To them I will tell you, whether you like it or not, I always wish to be with the students. And I know their anxiety. Some sort of communication is required. And being an elected representative and being Pappanbai, I feel and I will come whenever required. But respecting your this thing, I kept quiet for some time. I also respected your feelings. Because such a type of YouTube channel or whatever it is, you want all information beforehand. And you don't want me to come and tell my own children. This is what some others gave the feedback, sir. Many of us want you to come live. Why you are not coming, sir? So now I have decided and I have come. And this is very clear. For a specific purpose only I have come. Lot of other questions are there with regard to the training, with regard to the various positions, regarding the internship. So many things are there, but kindly excuse me. For that some other time definitely we will come back to you. We will try to help you for the forthcoming examination or preparation or so many doubts. But this particular video I have come only to tell or give some sort of comfort that the results will be declared before month end. I will not tell the date. Only thing rest assured is examination department officials are working really hard and they are maintaining good coordination and licensing with the examiners and valuers for specific reasons. And institute will be coming out with a notification soon, maybe within 1 or 2 or 3 days, whatever may be, about the exact declaration of result date. This is also this much only I want to convey, right? because the practice is very good and it makes X or Y more competent. But malpractice, I cannot fill that sentence. Na? So there are so many things. The only thing is examination was concluded last week of February. That too because of the demand of the students, and to help the students only, we had to conduct a different phase, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times or 4 times or whatever it is. Finally, all the students have been covered and everybody have done the examination. So naturally, after that, a certain process is there. Yes, online examination, me, if I am a student, I will also be very happy to have the result then and there. Either fail, chalo 2 दिन वैसे रोएंगे. After that, we will come out this thing. If we pass, okay, we will go for the next this thing step to build up our career or preparation for the next examination. That is intermediate to students for final 1 group or 2 groups or whatever it is. I am telling. I can also understand the anxiety. Rather, I was also feeling, and every time we are also asking us to please announce the result quickly like that. So this video, am I very clear? Before the month end, I am not telling a specific date like a 25 or 26 or 27 or 28. But wait for the institute notification, it will be this thing. So please, I can understand your anxiety, plus please don't have more tension by asking more and more questions on the same thing. Please share with your friends this video or the message in this to them, so that they will also understand that somebody, their own Papan Bhai has come and told something, and save that GB or data or this thing, because this life, your age is for enjoyment. Unlike many people coming in video and telling that you utilize your time in a very best manner, you study this, you study that, arey, itna to ho gaya, this much has happened, another 2 weeks or whatever it is, you enjoy. Watch some movies which you like, or enjoy some games, or listen to music, or watch some cricket matches or some other matches which is going on. Why to use that GB and data and create Binami poster or this thing and waste your time? Na? Hope I am very clear. And as you all know, the second wave of COVID-19 is on this thing. That is what we are hearing. So please stay safe, stay blessed. If possible, please take care of elders also at home. So, break the chain, but not the relationship. Let us maintain good relationship, right? And allow your Papan Bhai to be Papan Bhai. Don't create confusion in my name or with my photo or whatever it is. This is my humble request to whoever that they have done it in style or out of fun or making others more this thing, kindly avoid that, okay? So break the chain, but not the relationship. All the very best for the results which will be coming, as I told some this thing before this month end, at the this thing, and you will get the notification also. So wish you all the best. Thank you. Bye.